going to review the new Alienware Aurora R11. This beast of a gaming rig is receiving a performance-first update. Alienware is pushing performance to all new levels with the introduction of Intel's 10th gen processors and an Alienware-first liquid-cooled graphics solution. I've got the Aurora R11 model with a liquid-cooled 10-core Intel i9 10900K CPU, a liquid-cooled Nvidia Rtx 2080 supercard, 32GB of HyperX DDR4 XMP memory, and a 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD. For network connectivity, it's got killer Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1. I've got the Aurora R11 paired with the stunning Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor, the AW2720HF, with 240Hz refresh rates and crisp high-definition display featuring FreeSync or G-Sync technologies. The new Alien FX RGB LED lighting adds an instant iconic look to the Aurora while letting you customize using Alienware Command Center. For the lunar light option, they have added a new front-facing lighting ring that is unmistakably unique to the Alienware language. While we are focused on the front here, let's talk ports. The front features 3 Type-A USB 3.2 ports, 1 Type-C USB 3.2 port with PowerShare technology, as well as 1 headphone line-out port and microphone or line-in port. The rear ports feature SPDIF digital output coaxial, a SPDIF digital output toslink port, RJ45 Ethernet port, 6 Type-A USB 2.0 ports, 4 Type-A USB 3.2 ports, 1 Type-C USB 3.2 with PowerShare technology port, and a plethora of audio surround sound ports. Once inside, the Aurora features a 1000 watt PSU, which is another first for the gaming desktop. Talking about Alienware first, let's take a look at the all-new liquid-cooled Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 supercard, branded the Rad Card. Our partners at Asetek really hit this one out of the park. From its innovative PCIe-mounted heat exchanger and smart fan blower design, the Rad Card not only solves for liquid cooling solutions in a tight space, it runs cooler and quieter than air. Plus, it looks pretty sleek if you ask me. But let's talk about what we all want to know. Performance. Let's start with airflow. The Aurora's updated design ensures airflow moves more fluid and efficiently to decrease temps at the voltage regulator by up to 8% compared to its predecessor. Lower temps and more efficient airflow increases performance and maintains stability to keep you going cool for those long marathon gaming sessions. Here we are tossing Cinebench and Gears Tactics at the new Intel i9 10900K processor, and it handles everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. Paired with Nvidia's RTX 2080 Super and topped with liquid-cooled solutions for both, Alienware stops at nothing to deliver quality any performance enthusiast out there can lust for. The Alienware Aurora R11 is that new powerhouse on the block. With its refresh including Intel's 10th gen processors, liquid-cooled Nvidia RTX 2080 Super, and 32GB of HyperX XMP memory, this beast will make a believer out of anyone. With no lack of power and a thirst for performance with cooling to match, what more is there to say? The Aurora is here to stay. Well, thank you guys for tuning into the Alienware YouTube channel. I'm Ernie Gonzalez, and I hope you enjoyed my latest piece of content featuring the new Aurora R11 by Alienware. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ding that bell. Drop me a comment down below. Until next time, stay safe